Hey guys, it's Rex from Toolstar. As the introduction of the cable cutting machine, it draws a lot of attention to the stone industry in China and globally. As it's new technology, many customers have lots of questions, like why it originates in China, how is the slab quality, how is the cutting efficiency, what stone can it cut, how to change the cable, how to deal with the cable breakage, how to reuse the roller. Is the technology mature? What are the main advantages and what brand to choose? Today I'm going to take 10 minutes to answer all the questions here. If you are interested, please follow me. In the past 30 years of faster-paced development, Chinese industries have gone through 3 stages: imitation, improvement, and innovation. Up to now, China is leading multiple industries such as aerospace, deep-sea exploration, shipbuilding, new energy vehicles, high-speed train, solar power, machineries, new material industries. Why cable machine originates in China? In my opinion, there are 3 reasons. First, fierce competition in China. As the world's largest stone producer and exporter, Chinese stone market is booming and competitive. Under such circumstances, the machinery manufacturers are prompted to seek new technologies to improve the product performance and reduce costs, so as to be unbeatable in the marketplace. In this way, the cable cutting as an innovation technology in the field of stone cutting has been rapidly developed. Secondly, technology and experience accumulation. China has significant advantages in the field of synthetic diamonds. 90% of the world's synthetic diamonds are made in China, which provides a unique condition for development and the production of diamond cable cutting technology in China. The diamond cable machine is based on these high-performance materials and has demonstrated excellent performance and efficiency in the stone cutting. The third reason is the wide application of a diamond cable in the field of hard material cutting in China, including diamond cable for crystalline silicon, graphite, silicon carbide, optical glass, sapphire, and other hard material cutting. And its cutting equipment, tools, and processes are well developed. Therefore, the application in stone industry can be said to be another extension and development of diamond cable cutting. This is a new block just off Toolstar cable cutting machine. It's travertine. Let's check on the surface. It's very smooth. This is another block just off the cutting line. Let's check on the surface. It's very smooth, without the coarse surface from the marble ganso, without the white marks from the diamond white cutting. Also for the grooves, it's almost invisible. We need the wedges to separate the slabs. One of the most concerned questions is what kind of stone can the cable machine can cut? Here is the answer. At the moment, the installed cable cutting machine in China is already more than 300 sets, and this number is still increasing. The variety of stone that is proven to cut is more and more. Now I would like to give you the examples based on the stone hardness. Soft stone, we have cut magnolia marble. Travertine, for the soft stone cutting, is a piece of cake. Medium hard stone, we have cut Holmes grade, Ultraman grade, Turkish fish belly grade, Oriental white, Snowflake white, Albert white, Kerala white, Columbia white, Palo blue. For this grade is perfectly fine. Hard stone, we have cut impression grade, Brazilian Abrexcado, Bulgari, Dahlia white, Fendi white, Amazon green. With the upgrading of machines and the diamond cable, the variety of cutting stone is increasing constantly. As we all know, the biggest advantage of a cable cutting machine is to increase the yield rate by 20%. And in the meantime, the cutting speed is in par with the marble Genso. I would like to give you a rough idea with the average data. If it is cutting the soft stone, the cutting speed is 15 to 25 centimeter per hour. If it is a medium stone, the down speed is 10 to 15 centimeter per hour. If it is a hard stone, the down speed is 5 to 10 centimeter per hour. Of course, the performance of each brand of cable cutting machine and the cable is different. If you would like to know more details, please reach our sales representative. If it requires to change the new roll of the cable or changing the slab thickness, it needs to reset the cable. How to reset the cable? We're going to show you around. Normally, one person takes 45 minutes. Two people take 30 minutes to complete the resetting. Because the cable is a super thin, it is inevitable that the cable broken problems occurs while cutting. If it happens, there are different solutions according to different situations, like pulling directly, steel strip threading, steel pipe threading, as well as welding connection. The current cable breakage rate from the top brands of cable is only around 5%. As the quality of the equipment and also the tools improves, the breakage rate is reduced dramatically. And in the meantime, with the accumulation of the practical experience, it is also becoming easier to fix the problem of the cable breakage. How to reuse the rollers? Today, I'm showing you around. Follow me. The roller is coated with the imported polyurethane. It can be regrooving for 6 or 7 times. Each time, it can be used for 500 hours. If you need to cut the different thickness of the slabs, we can just design the thickness of the grooves, so it can accommodate to cut any thickness of the slabs. If the first layer is worn out, we can just remove it away and do the grooving again. This is the coating workshop. The imported polyurethane is coated under the same temperature and humidity, so it can guarantee the abrasiveness and the strength. For the regrooving solution, you can find a local manufacturer to do the regrooving, or you can purchase a CNC lathe machine and you can do the regrooving yourself with a lot of flexibility. If you need to purchase a CNC lathe machine, the cost is roughly $35,000. As for recoating, it would be better to find a professional polyurethane coating manufacturer in your local area. Or you can also save the rollers within 1 year and transport back in China in a container for processing. If you have watched this video up to this point, it means that you have known something about a cable cutting machine. But still, I have to point out the main advantages for your reference. The first is 20% higher output. Based on the same quantity of blocks cutting by the marble Genso, this machine can generate 20% extra slabs. With this value, you can easily recover the machine investment within 2 or 3 months. Secondly, it's a less power consumption. It's only 50% of the marble Genso in terms of the power consumption. Number 3 is less noise, less production area, and intelligence operation. You may be concerned about this technology is mature enough. What I can share with you is since 2024 March Xiamen Fair, up to now, within less than 1 year, there are about 300 machines installed in China. It's pretty much proven and mature. The cutting performance is more reliant on the diamond cable development. Let's check the production today. The first machine right now is cutting the travertine. The second machine, the block is under preparation. It's the ice jet. Look at the translucent color. It's kind of hard. The third machine right now is cutting the ice shade. This is another customer who installed 2 cable cutting machines from Toolstar. Let's check the production. The first machine right now is cutting the East white marble. This is the second machine. Right now it's cutting the snow white marble. This is another customer. They bought 3 cable cutting machines from Toolstar. Let's check it out. The first machine is cutting cream field. The second machine is cutting beige. Now let's check the third machine. They are preparing the block impression grade. Currently, many brands of cable cutting machines have popped in China, which jointly promoted the development of cable cutting technology. As a user, it may be difficult to choose, while I believe only the companies with below features will stand out eventually. From the time perspective, the top brands should focus on the stone industry. From the market perspective, the top brands should have the marketing network and after-sales support. From the product perspective, the top brands should have strong R&D capacity and can offer both the machine and the cable. Toolstar is one of the representing companies. We have been one of the global leading brands in multi-visor machine and diamond wires, and also gained the trust from the customers all over the world. I believe our cable cutting machine will also surprise you. I'm Rex from Toolstar. Welcome to contact me or our marketing team.